Hello guys, I'm going to show you how we can manipulate a string. Okay, now let us declare a variable called let's say word. Let's say parag p. Let's say then this is going to be awesome. Okay, now we're going to first learn about string concatenation. String concatenation is joining two strings. Now let's say we have like another string, and then I say k. Then we are going to declare a new variable. Then I'll say p plus s. Then I can print c. Okay. See now, we have joined the two strings. If I wanted to have a space, I can just do this. I just space it, and then to OK. This is what we call string concatenation. String concatenation is just joining two strings. Now, there's another thing we can do on strings, which is formatting strings. Okay, let's say we have like s is like 1 million. Let's say 1 million. Okay, then let's change the sentence. The amount was. Now let us talk about string interpolation. String interpolation is adding a value inside a string. Okay, let's say we have this string called amount. The amount was. We want to put this value inside this string. Okay, what we're going to do is we can put the curly braces and then do dot format. Okay, and then put this variable on top of this other one. So what we are doing here is, and it's even better than concatenation, we're just saying that in these curly braces, this value will be in these curly braces. So now this format function is a Python inbuilt function that requires a value. So we are saying that we use this value here. Okay, and print. Let's just print it. You see now the amount was 1 million. So if you want to understand about string interpolation, you can always Google and you'll get everything there. Okay, so in computer programming, string interpolation, okay, is the process of evaluating a string literal containing one or more placeholders. Okay, you see this is the place. I've declared a placeholder. This is where this value will be. Okay, and then yielding a result in which the placeholders are replaced with their corresponding values. Now this is the value that I put in this variable. Okay, so that's all about string interpolation. Now we need to understand how strings are stored. Okay, now there's something called string index. Another concept that we need to understand is about how strings are stored. When computer saves a string into memory, each character within a string is assigned what we call an index. An index is essentially a location in memory. Think of it as an index is a position in a line. If you are in front of the line, you will be given an index number of 0. The person behind you will be given index position 1. the person behind them will be given an index position too, and so on. The same is true in Python strings. If we take, let's say, for instance, the amount was 1 million, okay? You see, we can access each letter, or even these characters, okay, using an index. How do we do so? Okay, it's pretty much simple. Let's say we want to print the first item in the first letter. Let's say you want to print the first letter. This is how we do, okay? And then if you want to print the first letter, this is how we do, okay? Let's run the code. You see, T. Then let's say go to the next letter. Okay. Now let's say we want to print the last item, okay? Just put negative. Which is this one. Okay, guys, there are a lot of string methods. If you have any issue, you can always leave a comment and I will assist. If you want to learn about more methods, you can go to this site, programmiz.com, or you can install Zeal. Zeal is an offline documentation tool that is really cool. You can use it to find like inbuilt methods in Python. I already installed Python in Zeal, so when I go there and then write format, I'll find all the methods. Okay, oh sorry, why is it not showing? Where is Python? Where is Python? Did I install it? Oh, I didn't. Okay, guys, you can install Zeal. It's really cool. Just go to their site, Zeal offline. Yeah, it's a documentation browser that you can use. It has like a lot of information for any kind of programming language you want to use. You can install the documentation and read it like offline. You don't need to be online every time. Okay, guys, I think that's all for string operations.